pembelajaran yang secara komunitas tertentu itu dapat diberikan satu janji kepada hasil dan jasa pada industri tertentu atau komunitas tertentu. Dan dalam sisi teaching factory di sini inilah setidaknya paradigma itu diterapkan. Paradigma adalah satu model yang dari sudut pendidikan itu sendiri membawakan kepada kita, mengingatkan kepada kita yang berawal dari being, reality, existence, the essence, substance, untuk menuju kepada yang sifatnya itu konkret, yaitu pendidikan yang bagaimana itu matter of education, form of education, change of education, causality of education, sampai kepada relation of education. Itu adalah sebuah keniscayaan dalam kehidupan pendidikan yang dalam hari ini nanti setidaknya rumpun Melayu sama antara Profesor Abdul Talib dan kita, tetapi berbeda tempat, Malaysia dan Indonesia. Dari segitulah nanti kita akan mempertemukan dari sudut teaching factory new paradigm in education. Dan tentunya beliau kami harapkan ini bukan yang pertama dan bukan yang terakhir. Meskipun yang pertama dan yang bukan yang terakhir. Nanti bisa berkenalan dengan tradisi yang ada di Jepara, apalagi Profesor Abdul Talib sudah mengenali Pak Samsul yang dulu pernah diuji gitu ya. Nanti bisa diperkenalkan dengan tradisi yang ada di Jepara. Lebih lanjut, beliau tadi sudah menawarkan kepada saya, mempersilakan kepada Bapak dosen, Ibu-ibu dosen yang ingin melakukan satu kajian atau studi di University Tun Hussein On, Malaysia. Ini sebagai wujud persahabatan kita. Dulu memang mungkin di antara kita sudah ada yang pernah berkunjung ke sana. Ini ada Bapak Dr. Abdul Wahab Salim yang saat itu sedang studi program doktor di Yogyakarta dan ada perlawatan di sana. Kami mengucapkan terima kasih, mudah-mudahan kunjungan ini kunjungan yang membawakan kesenangan, kemaslahatan bagi kita semuanya. Saya tidak berpanjang lebar, hanya mengucapkan terima kasih, jazakumullah ahsanul jaza. Mudah-mudahan apa yang menjadi kebaikan dalam hal kita mewujudkan satu cita yang terbaik ini diridhoi Allah SWT. Sedikit saya menyampaikan kepada Bapak Profesor Abdul Talib. Beberapa waktu lalu saya dalam kegiatan tertentu, Pak Samsul dalam kegiatan yang lain menyampaikan satu pesan. Bapak, ini Profesor Abdul Talib mau kunjungan ke Indonesia gitu ya. Ya bisalah kita nanti bisa berbincang di universitas kita. Saya menyambutnya, saya merespon dan alhamdulillah bisa terwujud sekarang ini. Dan oleh karena itu cara-cara yang sedemikian mudahnya jika itu disertai dengan keikhlasan insya Allah akan terwujud juga. Saya kira demikian, terima kasih yang sebesar-besarnya dan saya mengharapkan kepada seluruh peserta untuk dapat mengikuti satu kegiatan ini yaitu kegiatan kuliah umum internasional. Nanti akan dilanjutkan waktu-waktu yang akan datang oleh fakultas-fakultas yang lain. Mohon maaf yang sebesar-besarnya. Wallahul muwaffiq ila aqtarik. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we go to our main agenda today, that is presentation from our speakers, the next agenda I would like to invite Mr. Rector of Unisnu Jepara to give souvenir to Professor Dr. Abdul Talib bin Bon first. And please, I also income the chairperson of management study program to come along. Yes. Thank you very much, sirs. And secondly, may I invite the Vice Rector of Field 1, Mr. Insinyur Gun Sudiryanto MM, to come to the stage and give the second souvenir to Professor. Still already the second souvenir, sir. Yes, please give the second souvenir to Professor Dr. Abdul Talib bin Bon. Thank you very much, and once again, give a big applause to everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we are already in our main agenda at this moment. So, may I invite the first speaker of this agenda, Mr. Muhammad Rifki Rosdani MM, and also our moderator, Mrs. Dwi Erlin Effendi, to come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let me inform you that at this morning international public lecture, we are going to have two speakers. The first speaker is going to be Mr. Muhammad Rifki Rosdani, STMT, MM. Let me revise. Our first speaker is going to be Professor Dr. Abdul Talib bin Bon, and our second speaker is going to be Mr. Muhammad Rifki Rosdani, STMM. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give the full time to our moderator today, to Mrs. Dwi Erlin Effendi. But before that, let me introduce our moderator today in the brief. Her name is Mrs. Dwi Erlin Effendi, SPD MPD. She was born in Jepara, 2 February 1984. She graduated from Semarang State University for her master degree. And since 2009, she is working at Unisnu Jepara as the lecturer of management study program in English subject. I think that's all, and I will give the full time to Mrs. Dwi Erlin Effendi. May I ask you to give a big applause to her once again.
Well, thank you very much, Miss Nia. Well, ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? May I have your attention? All right, the presentation is about to begin. The Honorable the Professor Dr. Abdul Talib bin Bon and the delegation from UTHM, right? UTHM Malaysia, and the Honorable of Mr. Rifki Rosdani STMM as the second speakers, and the honorables of all of the lecturers and the students of management and design and also industrial program of Unisnu Jepara. I'm pleased here to be a moderator in this agenda. And the audiences, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, first of all, I would like to welcome to you in our agenda in this international public lecture with the title Teaching Factory New Paradigm in Education. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, before the presentation begin, I would like to introduce our speakers. There are two speakers here. The first is, here is Mr. Professor Dr. Abdul Talib bin Bon. He is a director of Teaching Factory in UTHM, right? Okay, and the second speaker is Mr. Rifki Rosdani STMM. He is the lecturer of management program in economic faculty Unisnu Jepara, and also he is as the director of Kartini Media. Okay, giving applause to all our speakers. Well, without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Professor Dr. Abdul Talib bin Bon as the first speaker. The time is yours. Giving applause to him, please.
After that kita buat Q&A session. After finish both of the speakers. Yes. Jadi kita bagus kita gabung. Kita punya teaching partner. Nanti kita. Jadi bapa mau fokus on entrepreneurship. Setelah ini kan kita kunjungan ke daerah sini ya. Nanti boleh bisa datang ke sana kita tengok factory, our factory. InsyaAllah. Masa sign MOU nanti saya sudah bagi tahu Pak Rektor. Oh iya. Silakan datang ke Johor ya untuk sign MOU. Sign of the teaching factory program Malaysia for vocational high school. Yeah, actually this one is not only for the teaching and learning, but we provide the consultation, the research for the university or for the university. Actually this one is the first teaching factory in Malaysia in the higher education. Actually in the our teaching factory is a bit different compared the Indonesian teaching factory, because Indonesian teaching factory is SMA, yeah. SMA, vocational school. Yeah, vocational school. Yeah, vocational school. Yeah. And then for example, the higher education maybe the Polytechnic Polman. Polytechnic and also EPB. Yeah. EPB they have a D4. Yeah, D4. Yeah. But for our program, for the degree program, so they must follow all the training in the teaching factory, and then this one is a good opportunity to the
It can be shown in full screen, Mas. Full screen. Yes. All right, thank you.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good morning to all the participants in our today's session, especially to all the docents, all the lecturers, the head of the department, the dean of faculty, and then very special wish to our second speaker, Mr. And then our chair sessions, okay, for this or moderator, yeah, okay, moderator for our session. Thank you very much to invite me to give you some speech about this current. I think it's not the current issue, but this one is maybe the global issue about the teaching factory. Okay, so maybe I will share to all of you about what the story behind the teaching factory. I think in Indonesia this one is not new because I know about the teaching factory in Indonesia. Yeah? Okay, you have in the from the vocational school. Okay, you have the teaching factory. And then for the polytechnic, okay, for example, Polytechnic Polman in Bandung, okay, have the they call as a teaching factory. And then the others university they have the teaching factory. But for our teaching factory is maybe a bit different or a bit challenge compared the current teaching factory because when I set up this teaching factory, our government sent to me to Milan, Italy. Milan, Italy. Because Milan is the top in the design in the world. If you have the Ferrari, you have the Ferrari car? No. Okay, so the designer from the Polytechnic Milan, just a Polytechnic Milan, yeah. And then if you drink your Coca-Cola, I think all of you may have the experience drink the Coca-Cola. You know the design from the can of the Coke. Okay, that one is a design from the Polytechnic Milan. Okay. So that's why when we talk about this teaching factory, in the Polytechnic Milan, they have a large of the teaching factory inside the campus. Okay, that's why we trying to do this teaching factory. Okay, follow what the Italy or the France. For example, you know the Airbus aeroplanes, okay, the one of the largest or the biggest aeroplane in the world, okay. This one is the manufacturing of this Airbus is through the teaching factory in the University of Toulouse, okay. Inside the university, the Airbus, they develop, they manufacture the aircraft in the university. Okay, now I no need to take a long time to introduce talk about the teaching factory, but I just share what we have our teaching battery, because I know Unisnu have the teaching factory. Okay, maybe we can work together. Okay, maybe in the teaching factory in Unisnu, maybe they focus on the entrepreneurship. Okay, maybe this one is we must learn, okay, about what the entrepreneurship, okay, from the teaching factory from the Unisnu. Okay, so before I go in detail about the teaching factory, I want to introduce our University Tun Hussein on Malaysia. This one is a public university. Okay, in Malaysia, not many public universities, just 20 universities. Okay, and then we have the 600 private university and colleges. Okay, so this one is one of the public university in Malaysia. Okay, maybe all the students, maybe from the degree student, if you after finish your study, you can come into our university, do your S2 or S3. Okay. Okay. So this one, he's our chancellor. Okay. This one is son of the Sultan of Johor. Okay. Because in Malaysia we still have the Sultan and Raja. Okay. So he's our new chancellor, okay, appointed by last of January this year, okay. Okay, and then this one is our executive committee, UTHM, okay, our new vice chancellor, or what you call the rector, is Professor Ruzairi, okay. And then this one is what the history. Well, what is the history of the UTHM? Actually, we already started from the training center for the polytechnic staff, and then we upgrade to Institute Technology Tun Hussein On, okay, and then we upgrade to College University Technology Tun Hussein On, and then after that we convert to UTHM, yeah, okay, and then we have the 3 campus, one campus in the main campus in Batu Pahat, okay, and then another 2 from have Tanjung Labu. Tanjung Labu is our campus for program aeronautics, okay. We have the program bachelor degree in aeronautics, okay, plus the piloting professional pilot, okay. In the same time, the student after graduate, they have the degree, and then they have the license for pilot, okay. So this one is very interesting, and then now I think we already produce around 120 pilots, okay. So actually this program we open, not only the local student, but we open to the international student. Okay, if you're willing to your career as a pilot for Garuda or Batik, yeah, okay, or Jet Air, yeah? Okay, okay, maybe this one is a very good opportunity to join as a pilot. Yeah? And then another campus, this one is in Pago, because our teaching factory in Pago, okay, in Pago, around 45 minutes from our main campus. Yeah? Okay, so this one is our location, okay, not far from the Singapore, just 1 hour drive, okay. Okay, if you want to go to the Universal Studio in Singapore, just drive around 1 hour, okay, and then near in our campus is Legoland, you know the Legoland, okay, jadi so you can inform to your parents to bring you go to the Legoland, okay, for holiday, yeah. Okay, this one is not far. Okay, and then from the Kuala Lumpur, yeah, from the Kuala Lumpur city center, okay. Okay, so we have the distance only the 3 hours drive. Okay, all the highway is a toll highway. Okay, so this one is our location, and then okay, this one is our campus. Yeah. Okay. Our campus surrounding is our campus is we have the huge campus in Batu Pahat. Okay, so we have the accommodate around 20,000 students. Yeah, in Pago we have the 5,000 students. So all the students in the UTSM around the 25,000 students. Yeah? Okay, so this one is numbers of the students. Okay, so you know the Indonesian student. I think Indonesian number of the Indonesian student is since we run our program for the masters and PhD, a lot of numbers of the candidates from the Indonesia. Okay. So most of them not from the docent lecturers from the university in Indonesia, but some of them is a fresh student. Okay, after finish the from the Unisnu, for example, Unisnu, and then you come to my university do your masters, and then some of them they go straight until PhD. Okay, so this one is because our program is not too long, yeah, to just 2 years, 1 year for the masters, and then for the PhD, you can complete 2 years or 3 years, okay, and then within 5 years, you back to Unisnu, can work as the new docent, yeah, okay, but currently the numbers of the big numbers of the student is from the United Arab Emirates, okay. Because this one is we have the government to government programs. Okay, so this one is the ASEAN ranking, yeah, and then for the world ranking, okay. So I think this one is we trying to achieve more the best ranking in the ASEAN countries and among the world universities. Yeah? Okay, so this one is our faculty. We have the 8 faculties. Okay, so the program for our furniture design and manufacturing. Okay, this one is under the faculty of the technology management and business. Okay, so this one you look the pictures. Those of them is our pilot students. Okay. So we have our small airport, yeah, in Tanjung Labu. Okay, so this one is I think it's a very interesting, yeah, for students join this program. Yeah? Okay, back to our core issue here. Okay, so what the teaching factory? So maybe I think this what the teaching factory, yeah. We know about the teaching factory is place or the area of the space provide the collaboration with the industry and the university. Okay, because in our program for the teaching factory, we invite industry from the outside come into our campus, and then we provide the building similar with the factory. Okay, so this one is what unique for this teaching factory. The environment in the teaching factory is same when you work in the real factory, because the factory is they produce the real product for exports or for the domestics. Okay. Okay, and then what concept of the teaching factory here? Okay, because in the teaching factory we, for example, one house, okay, and then we have the 2 rooms. One room we call we doing the furniture manufacturing, and then another one is the furniture education. Okay, so the program for this our teaching factory, we combine, okay, both from the furniture manufacturing from the industry, and then at the same time we provide, yeah, the furniture education. So this one is a theory in the classroom, but in the teaching factory for the practice. Yeah. So the student can have the real experience when they run their exercise or their practice. Okay. Based after they have finished their theoretical class. Okay, this one is what our concept for this teaching factory. And then for this teaching factory, okay, maybe we can look about this concept for the triangle here. We not only for the produce the student in the hands-on experience, but we provide on the research and then the innovation and education. This one is from the knowledge when they involve in the teaching factory. Okay, so this one is okay, in this teaching factory concept, okay, this one is a two-way, okay, two-way, this means is a knowledge communication channel between the industry and university. Okay, so the theory, maybe our lecture give the lecture in the classroom, and then when they go to the teaching factory, so the supervisor from the industry will coaching them how to run the machine, how to make the project or make the manufacturing in that in our teaching factory. This one is what the knowledge, okay, can transfer from the industry to the university, okay? Because in the industry, they not have many time, okay, to do the research or the innovation, but that area we will cover, okay, with our experts, okay, from our designer, our designer will be communicate to the industry how to do the good design, how to solve any problem on design and manufacturing. Okay. Okay. And then another thing, okay, we must understand about the concept of the teaching factory. This one is what we call the factory to classroom and laboratory to factory. Okay, because the teaching factory is we open. Okay, we open to industry to produce their project. Okay, to do their products. Okay, and then what we trying to implement in this factory to classroom. Students in the classroom act as the knowledge receiver. Okay, so from the they sit in the classroom, the lecture, but the knowledge of the theory they can apply when they go to the inside of the teaching factory. Okay, the theoretical, I think for the design program, for example, yeah, I think not enough just a theory. Okay. We must have a lot of the experience in the practice. Yeah. Okay. So the laboratory to factory. This one is, you know, the technologies. Okay. When we produce our technologies at the industry side as the knowledge receiver. This one is a two-way. Okay. When we talk about the factory to classroom and then laboratory to factory. Okay, so this one is what the philosophy or the concept of our teaching factory. Okay, this one is what our concept to teaching factory is offer the undergraduate and graduate level which aim to improve, okay, to improve the quality of teaching and learning process. Okay, so actually the teaching factory, this one is one of the platform or the mechanism, okay, how we can engage between the university and industry. Okay, so if the commitment from the industry, no any commitment from the industry, I think we cannot declare we already run our teaching factory education. Yeah. Okay, and then this one is what we practice. Okay, in this teaching factory, some of our final year project. Okay, we have the collaboration with the industry. Okay, the industry propose, okay, what the student can do this project, okay, and then the very beautiful of this the concept here, okay, the end of the project, okay, this one is belonging to the industry which is offered to do this project. Okay, this one is advantage to the university and then to the student, and very a good advantage. This one is to the industry because they have the new design, new prototype from the student. Okay, and then the industry just invest the small amount of the money. Okay. Okay, this one is the background of the teaching factory. I think what we trying to do for this teaching factory, especially is we trying to produce to the student the aspiration, the learning process, and then for the nowadays, okay, we trying to change our teaching factory to Industrial Revolution 4.0. Okay, that's why in this our teaching factory we equip our facilities with the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Okay, for example, we have the robotic arms, okay, the conveyor, the quality assurance visions, okay, and then we have the 3D printer. So all this equipment, we trying to change the mentality. Yeah, the mentality or the concept of the teaching factory. This one is not the conventional, but this one is a higher-end technology we trying to transfer to the industry and then to the student. Okay, this one is what the teaching factory IR 4.0 objective. Okay, actually in the what the purpose of this we provide the facilities for the IR 4.0, okay. This one is one of the platform to the enhance the knowledge to the students and the industry, how the benefits, okay, from the IR 4.0. The first benefits, okay, what the industry can get this IR 4.0, they can reduce numbers of the laborers or the workers. Okay, in Malaysia, I think this is different compared to Indonesia. Our foreign workers currently in Malaysia, this reach to the 5 million, okay, 5 million people. Okay, and then majority of them come from the Bangladesh, from the Nepal, okay, and then from the Indonesia also, okay. So that's why in the industry, especially in the furniture, okay, they're trying to reduce numbers of the workers, okay. And then one of the methods, okay, one of the methods they can reduce through the IR 4.0, okay. Okay, this one is what the impacts, okay, what the impacts of the teaching factory. Okay, so from here we can the high impact to the teaching factory, especially to our students, yeah, to the staff, university, and then our community. Okay, so this one is a community. They can get the benefit. Okay, when we develop our teaching factory. Okay, at least they can give the share the experience from the community to our university, and then the university student can go to the community to assist them how to do the furniture, for examples. Okay, so this one is what the benefit from this impact from this teaching factory. Okay, this one is our plan layout, because our space is around 4,000 meters square. Okay, so this one is our plan layout. Okay, and then we have the 3 industry inside our teaching factory. Okay, so and then the location our teaching factory, you can look our teaching factory here. Okay. Okay, this one is our campus in Pago, and then this one is our teaching factory, and then this one is all our partner inside our teaching factory. Okay, those of them is from the industry. Okay, and then this one is what the situation in inside our teaching factory. Yeah? Okay, and then this one is our organizational structures. Okay, because our structures, what we call our teaching factory as a faculty, yeah, as a faculty. Okay, but the faculty you have the dean, yeah, but the teaching factory we call the top position as the director. Okay, and then under the director, okay, we have our Center for Technology. Okay, we have the Furniture Innovation Technology, our oil and gas. Okay, and then the Information Communication and Technology, and then another one is Law and Technology. So this one is our structure. Okay, and then this is our teams. Okay. Mr. Abdullah, one of our director for the Furniture Innovation Technology. Okay, so and then the structure is we trying to actually this teaching factory. This we not work alone, but we have the strong collaboration with the faculty. Okay, because we run the faculty programs, okay, academic programs, and then teaching factory as the laboratory. Okay. Okay, and then this one is our smart partnerships. Okay, we have the very close relationship with the association. Okay, the furniture association, and then from the for example, here this the industry, okay, 3 industry here, and then we have the strong collaboration with the timber industrial board. Okay, this one is our smart partnership. Okay. Okay, what the special in our TG factory? We have the facilities for the furniture testing. Okay, furniture testing. Because before the industry send out their export or send out their product to overseas or the domestics, they must follow the regulation. Our regulation is all the furniture must be tested first. Okay, okay. So the testing for this furniture is through our teaching factory. Okay, we have our facilities here, and then the certification from the what we call the Standard Department of Malaysia. Okay. Okay, and then this one is what the IR 4.0 facilities at teaching factory. Okay. Okay, for example, what we have in the teaching factory for the IR 4.0 is a robotic arm for furniture manufacturing. Yeah? Okay, this one is what the robotic arms we have. Okay, and then this one is during our assembly sessions. Okay, and then this one is what the system we have for the run this robotic system. Okay. Okay, this one is one of the, for example, okay, please click this slide because this one is a video. Eh? Okay, maybe. You click this photo. Okay, maybe my staff can assist you. Eh? Okay. Yeah. Actually, this one is a video. Yeah. Okay, okay. I think this video cannot run. Okay, so okay, we go the next slide. Yeah. Okay, this one is still the video. Okay, I think this video around 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so no problem. Okay, so we go to the next equipment. Okay, this one is another IR 4.0 equipment. Yeah, this one is a quality assurance vision system. Actually, in the industry, okay, they are lacking on this equipment because the one of the important equipment in industry is suppose this equipment QA visions, because this one is can determine, okay, either your product is okay or reject. Okay, this one is what the purpose of this QA vision. Okay, and then this one is during the assembly assemble for these QA visions. Okay, and then this one is the facility for the QA visions. Okay, and then this one is a video. Sorry, because I think this not cannot run this video. Maybe they're not compatible with the your laptop or I don't know. Okay. Okay, this one is a video about this process. Okay, and then I willing to share about the what the teaching and learning activities in teaching factory, because in the teaching factory, this one is a laboratory, so all the students must join all the activities in teaching factory. Okay, maybe for the for the one day. Okay, for example, today I give the lecture for just 2 hours. Okay, for discuss on the CNC boring, for example. Okay, and then after my class, 2 hours, student will go to the teaching factory, inside the teaching factory, and then go to the real plant. Okay. And then they run the similar what they learn about the CNC boring. Okay, this one is a practice. They must handle all the machines. Okay, so this one is from theory. They can do their practice inside the teaching factory. Okay, so this one is what our partner in the teaching factory, and then all the majority of this company is a local company, but we have the MOU with the Finland, TIC Finland. TIC Finland, this one is a furniture training center in Finland, in Warsaw, Finland. Okay, and then rest of our partner from the local company. That's why we come to the Jepara. Maybe we can make the MOU not only for the Unisnu, but we trying to get some new partner from the from the Jepara furniture factory industry. Okay, because we trying to invite them to set up their production plant, yeah, of the assembly line in our teaching factory. Okay, because in Malaysia the furniture from the Jati is high demand. Okay, high demand, and then I think it's a high price. Okay, so that's why I think one of the agenda, yeah, not only Unisnu, but we trying to make the collaboration with the industry in Jepara also. Okay. Okay, and then this one is our campus in Pago. Okay, so this one is our teaching factory. Okay, so this one is this photo is when our teaching factory complete. Okay, develop our facilities. Okay, before the industry join. Okay, and then this one is our plant layout. Okay, our teaching factory, and then I think I just repeat about our facility for the furniture testing laboratory. Okay, and then okay, this one is our curriculum. Okay, our curriculum. Okay, our curriculum is we divide. Okay, half of our program more towards to the management. Okay, and include the entrepreneurship subject, the finance subject, the accounting subject, and then half from that program we offer the design, furniture design, and then the furniture manufacturing. Okay, so we blend in our program have the three major components: is management, and then the furniture design, and then another one is furniture manufacturing. Yeah. Okay, and then we already changed to our program from the management program to bachelor technology. Okay, and then we are focusing. Before that, our program is a 40-60. 40 theory, 60 practice. Now we already changed to 30 theory, 70% is a practice. So means student a lot of the time they spend in the teaching factory for the practical. Yeah. Okay, this one is our semester system. Okay, from the 4 years program, we now for the next year we reduce from the 4 years to the 3.5 years. Okay, and then from the 3.5 years, 2 years in the classroom. Okay, but 1.5 years we train the student in our teaching factory as a work-based learning, WBL. I don't know, in Unisnu you have the concept of the education work-based learning, but we train all our program more forward to the WBL, yeah, work-based learning. Yeah. Okay, so this one is our requirements for join this program and what the career path after student finish their study. Okay, and then in the same time in our teaching factory, we offer to the student work together with industry, and then the industry will pay to them. Okay, because in our rules, student can work maximum 4 hours per day. Okay, in the factory, and then the factory will pay around 5 ringgit per hour. Yeah, 5 ringgit per hour, for example. Okay, so this one is what the scheme or the training or the work in for the student in our teaching factory. This one is at least students have the experience, and then at the same time they have the pocket money. Yeah, okay. Okay, this one is what the previous industry in our teaching factory. Okay, this one is our partner last time. Okay, and then this one is a visit from the many agencies in the Malaysia. Okay. Okay, this one is all the photo based on the visit from the government agency and private agency to teaching factory. Okay, and then for this our teaching factory, when we produce the prototype, and then the prototype we send to the exhibition, yeah, to furniture exhibition, and then the exhibition we join. For example, the Malaysian Furniture Exhibition, okay, in Kuala Lumpur. So this one is exposed to students how they can communicate with the industrial people, and then how they can convince to them about their design. Okay, because they send the new design, okay, from our lecturers. Okay, work together with the student. Okay, and then this one is the photo during the student defense their project. Okay, because in this photo we invite the designer from the Australia and from Italy as judges. Okay, so this one is one of the activity from our teaching factory. Okay, so this one is what we conduct the training and short courses to the students. Okay, and then okay, this one is a product from the students after trainings. Okay, and then this one is we send together to all the students go to industry and then do their projects. Okay, this one is what the important for the teaching factory is a very close collaboration with the industry. Okay, and then this one is the end of the session for the training in the industry. Okay, this one for the testing, furniture testing lab. Yeah? Okay, so that's all. So this one is what I can give some sharing about what our teaching factory have to enrich our educations. Okay, and then actually this one is when we developed our teaching factory. So at the same time, we changed our paradigm of our education. Okay, not to more to the classroom, but we changed to more to the laboratory. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, to this my session. So I give back to our chair sessions. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Prof, for the informative and interesting talk. Before we are going to the next speakers, I want to ask you, ladies and gentlemen, as the audience is here, my students, well, do you understand what Prof said to you, explained to you? Do you understand? All right. What is the teaching factory? Teaching factory ki apa to? Apa, Cel? Apa? Karena saya perhatikan dari tadi itu pada gini semua. Gini, paham atau enggak gitu loh ya. Teaching factory itu apa sih, guys? What is teaching factory? Nah, yang sudah menerapkan teaching factory di Indonesia itu di SMK, Vocational High School di sini ya. Di tahun 2022 Januari awal telah yang menerapkan teaching factory di SMK di Indonesia ini telah meningkat sebanyak 55%. Apakah teaching factory itu? What is teaching factory? Teaching factory adalah penerapan apa? Kerjasama dengan industri untuk pembelajaran dan pengajaran ya. Nah, sebelum masuk ke second speaker ini harus ini dulu ya. Difahamkan dulu teaching factory ki apa toh ya. Itu kerjasama dengan industri untuk pembelajaran dan pengajaran. Jadi kita import ilmu-ilmu yang ada di industri itu untuk diterapkan di pembelajaran. Jadi teori itu yang di UTism tadi teorinya 30%, prakteknya di laboratorinya itu 70%. Jadi kita langsung praktek di situ. Menerapkan apa yang ada di industri itu untuk pembelajaran di kampus ya. Kemudian kampus memberikan feedback ke industri tersebut. Jadi mahasiswa yang telah belajar di kampus tersebut langsung bisa bekerja di industri. Paham ya? Paham anak-anak ya? Iya, oke. Thank you. Oke, once again giving applause to Prof. Well, to the next section is for our lecturer, Mr. Rifki Rosdani, STMM, becomes the second speakers. Okay, Pak Rifki, time is yours. Maybe Pak Rifki can explain what the application of the teaching factory in our campus. Okay, time is yours, please.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wala hawla wala quwata illa billah. Good morning everyone. Still morning ya? Okay. The Honorable Professor Abdul Talib bin Bon and all the teams. Sorry, I cannot mention one by one because we just known each other. The Honorable Mr. Sam, Dr. Sam, our Dean, Pasca Sarjana, and also a friend from lecturers, yeah. Sorry, Mr. Gunawan, Mr. Dwi, yeah. Okay. And also my boss, Mr. Yunis, is my boss, yeah. Okay. And also Mr. Sorry, I forgot. Mr. Murharsito and all the team from International Office IO. Yes, IO. Okay. And also all my students that coming from the management, industrial, and design, product design. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I will make a little presentation because the teaching factory is we already learned from professor. Yeah, it's a very good teaching factory. Do we have in our campus right now? We have it. Yeah, maybe yeah, a little. Yeah. Okay. Let me tell you about teaching factory, but in different perceptions. Yeah, I will tell you about teaching factory in entrepreneurship. You know entrepreneurship? Yeah? Okay. It's different perceptions because Professor Abdul Talib is about the engineering, design, yeah. But right now I want to tell you about the teaching factory in entrepreneurship. Maybe a little different, Prof. Yeah, but I think that maybe someday we can make an agreement about this. Okay, Thank you. This is, I think we have the same, citation, Prof. Yeah, the same citation. I'm coming from G. Chrysorius et al., 2016. And also this is from the same paper, yeah, the same paper. I got it from the Science Direct, yeah, Science Direct. We have the same citation from the paper. Yeah, this is the concept of a teaching factory. I think you already know about this from Mr. Professor, from Professor. I just can tell you that the teaching factory is how student is ready, yeah, for working in the factory. Especially, factory is not the factory is not mean by a gudang, gitu ya, or a factory. No, it's not mean by that. Factory is all field, not only factory, especially in the furniture field, yeah, or maybe in the handicraft field, etc. No, yeah. So a student, yeah, will be prepared, very well prepared, so they can, after they graduate from the university, they can directly work on the factory, yeah. And then on the other side, the factory need the help and need the students think about how to improve the factory system, the factory maybe tests, yeah, test beds and everything. Yeah, that is the teaching factory. Understand? Understand, okay. That's good, okay. So, I want to tell you about the Jepara furniture factories. This is the fact. Yeah, this is the fact that Jepara have furniture factories. Number of furniture factories in Jepara is 378, right, Mr. Sam? In 2017. I don't know the number yet. This is from BPS Jepara, because the BPS cannot give me the number right now because of the pandemic, yeah, and we have a very big trouble, Prof. It's about the container from Indonesia, especially, that going to America, to Europe. Usually it's only $3,000 per 40 feet high cube container, but nowadays it's almost triple. Yeah, almost triple, 12 or maybe 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. Maybe we can discuss about it later after factory visit. Yeah, okay. And then mostly handmade, not machinal. Yeah, in Jepara mostly handmade. Some of them machinal. They do have a machine in their factory, but mostly handmade, because the supplier is coming from all other village in Jepara. Yeah, we have 16 district in Jepara, and all the village, mostly all the village, they have a OVOP, one village, one product. Yeah. So, for example, like a village named Karanggondang. Some people, some students from Karanggondang. Yeah. Any student? Oh, Taufik, yeah. Taufik Karanggondang, yeah. Okay. For example, there's a village named Karanggondang. Yeah. They only produce garden furniture, outdoor furniture. Yeah. And maybe the other village is, what is it, Mr.? Kecapi, yeah. Yeah, Kecapi. They do some cupboard, yeah, and maybe chairs, especially from mahogany wood. Yeah, that's why the factory in Jepara, they mostly do not use intensive machine. Yeah, maybe they just because of the supplier, they're very traditional supplier, and they sell the product to the factory, not doing in-house. Yeah, okay. The common problem to be solved is always marketing and finance. Yes, marketing and finance. Because marketing is number one, because all of them say that I cannot get buyers, I cannot get new buyers, especially from outside from Indonesia, because mostly in Jepara, the factory in Jepara, they do overseas business, yeah, to the all over the world. And finance, of course, yeah, they said that we don't have money to produce it. We don't have the money to expand the building. We don't have money to pay the wages, etc. It's very common problem. And that's why I think that in Jepara we need more entrepreneurs. We need more entrepreneurs because it's the number is coming down. Yeah, it's from 378. I think right now it's only 200, maybe, yeah, 200. Yeah, that's why we need more entrepreneurs. I don't know. It's coming from management, coming from industrial, coming from product design. Yeah, it should be more entrepreneurs for Jepara. Yeah. What do you think? You agree? Okay, that's good. I like the spirit. Yeah. Okay. And also, we need an entrepreneurial oriented employees. Why? Because the entrepreneurial oriented employees will help the company to become easily to make the ideas that make companies bigger, etc. Yeah. Okay. And this is the solutions that we already did with Mr. Sam, with our friends in management. The solution, one of them, but not becoming the teaching factory yet, named iBizNet. Yeah, iBizNet. This is the teaching. I consider it as a small teaching factory in entrepreneurship. iBizNet. iBizNet is only a community of economic and business students. Yes. We started in 2010. So it's almost 12 years ago, 2010. And it's only 7 members, only 7 members. Yeah, it's a community that very small, it's only 7 members, but becoming 23, yeah, becoming 23 members. And now, some of them becoming entrepreneurs in furniture and handicraft, yeah, because Jepara have many handicraft. There is a woven handicraft, wood handicraft, also terracotta handicraft, and also from silver, Monel. Yeah, Monel is almost like silver. Yeah, some of them are becoming Google AdSense. Yeah, Google AdSense, online earning, and also blogging, and some of them becoming YouTubers. Yeah, right now becoming YouTubers. This is the photo of iBizNet in 2010. They still skinny. This is skinny. Yeah, it's different from. Sorry. 2000 and wow, it's missing. It's missing. Okay, never mind. Yeah. This is 2014 with the former Regency of Jepara. Mr. Mazuki. This is the former of Regency from Jepara. Yeah, it's different from 2010. They're becoming they're not skinny anymore. Yeah, they're becoming bigger like Dr. Sam. Yeah. Okay. And now 2022 it's not iBizNet anymore. They're becoming iBizNet family, yeah, because it's not only 23 students, but now becoming family, and they bring their wife and their children, yeah, because they already have it, and becoming like 75 members. Yeah. Okay, this is only a little idea about the teaching factory that might be might be can be produced in Unisnu. I don't know, maybe with your help, Professor. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. Yeah. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Pak Rifki. Well, guys, now we come to the next section is question and answer. Maybe this section will be divided into two sections, and for each, just for 3 questioners. Okay, don't forget to mention your name if you want to ask something. Okay, any question? Please raise your hand. Any question? Please raise your hand and don't forget to mention your name. Well, okay, stand up.
Oke, sebelumnya Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Syah Ramadan, saya dari program studi manajemen. Oke teman-teman, untuk demi kemaslahatan bersama dan demi saya juga bahasa Inggrisnya masih belepotan, masih ada kita difasilitasi keynote speaker yaitu Bu Erlin, nanti boleh Bu Erlin transitkan kepada Profesor dan Pak Rifki. Daripada dari tadi kita cuma menundukkan kepala dan penuh dengan pertanyaan. Oke Bu, tadi sudah saya pahami tentang apa yang diterangkan oleh Pak Profesor dan Pak Rifki. Bahwasanya di situ menerangkan tentang teaching factory. Yang saya tanyakan, kami di sini adalah selama kebanyakan program studinya manajemen dan kita mempunyai mimpi yaitu sebuah entrepreneur. Bagaimana kita sebagai entrepreneur ini loh menerapkan teaching factory di pembelajaran kita dan bagaimana kita berinovasi awal untuk meningkatkan teaching factory di manajemen ini. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, for the next question, please. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Sumi Latifa, I'm from management class. And I have a question for Mr. Professor Dr. Abdul Thalib. As I know from the presentation, in UTHM have a faculty of technology management and economic, right? And my question is, what they learn about in Faculty of Technology Management and Economic. Thank you.
Well, once again. One more please. One more please. All right.
Sebelumnya perkenalkan, nama saya Nelly Mirajija dari Prodi Manajemen. Ini saya pakai bahasa Indonesia karena bahasa Inggrisnya yang belepotan banget. Bu Erlin monggo nanti ditranslate. Yang saya tanyakan, bagaimana manfaat penerapan teaching factory untuk mahasiswa khususnya di Unisnu Jepara, karena di Unisnu Jepara sendiri kan belum ada kayak teaching factory. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you very much. Well, the first question is from, I forget your name please. Oh, Syahrul, yes, Syahrul. Syahrul is one of duta bahasa ya, Syahrul ya. Oh ya, duta bahasa of Unisnu. Iya, pakainya. Tapi he is concerned in Arabic. Yes. Syahrul is dreaming about the entrepreneur and how can TF be applied in entrepreneur studies like that. And maybe it can be answered by Pak Rifki or Prof. Okay.
Oke, thank you Mbak Sahrul Gunawan ya. Hah? Hah? Oh Mas, Mas Sahrul. Okay, thank you for your question. Yeah, I think should I answer in English or Indonesian? Bahasa. Oke. Iya, combine ya. Jadi gini Mas Sahrul, ini sebenarnya yang saya ceritakan tadi itu masih berupa konsep walaupun sudah tahun 2010 ya. Nah, itu nanti tinggal bagaimana para pejabat-pejabat di Unisnu, Pak Barowi misalnya gitu ya. Untuk apakah mungkin gitu ya, tentunya dengan misalnya bekerja sama dengan UTHM ya, apakah memungkinkan sebuah konsep tadi itu dibuat menjadi sebuah teaching factory gitu kan. Karena kan tidak seperti UTHM ya yang lebih intensif di peralatan dan lain sebagainya. Kalau kita di entrepreneurship kan mungkin tidak terlalu berat gitu ya. Paling-paling ya modelnya laptop gitu kan sama koneksi internet gitu ya. Mungkin begitu. Jadi harapannya ke depan sih nggak tahu nih pemangku kebijakan di Unisnu, siapa tahu ini bisa menjadi sebuah teaching factory. Sementara itu wis sinau dewi dhisik ya gitu ya. Oke, terima kasih.
Okay, Mas Sahrul, do you satisfied with the answers? Okay. Well, the second question from Eva from management program also. What's the role of UTHM to apply the TF in industrial, and then what's management? Industrial management program, yes. Okay, in UTHM. Okay, Prof.
Okay, thank you very much to Miss Eva. Miss Eva. Okay. 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 So based on your question about what the Faculty of Technology Management and Business, okay, I just give some overview of this faculty. Actually, this faculty is one of the pioneer university. Okay, and then at the same time, I am the founder for this faculty. We developed this faculty since 2001. So it means we have run our faculty 21 years ago. Okay, so the program for this faculty, yeah, not only the Bachelor of the Furniture Design and Manufacturing, but we have another 4 programs, okay? Okay, this one is a program we conducted for this first degree program in technology management, okay? Bachelor in technology management in production and operation management, Bachelor technology management in construction management, and then another one we offer the program for real estate management. Okay, so for this program, all the program is full-time program for the full-time program, okay, including the furniture design and manufacturing, and also we offer the master's program, okay, masters by research, okay, master by research in technology management. And then we have our program by coursework. Yeah, coursework, you must sit the few subjects and attend the class for the masters in business and administration MBA. And then we have the masters in industrial management, masters in construction management. So those of this program is we conduct for the by coursework. Okay, so you must complete your credit hours. I think around 48 credit hours for your masters, And then before you finish your study, you must finish your final year projects or dissertations. Okay, and then we offer also for the PhD program. Okay, PhD programs in technology management and PhD in real estate or facility management. Okay, so all this program roughly you can finish from the minimum years is 2 years until 6 years. Okay, so all the program we conduct all the program in our main campus in Batu Pahat, and then rest only one program we conduct in Pago, which is this program is furniture design and manufacturing. Okay, so the requirement for this program, okay, maybe you from the A level, okay, A level is SMR from the okay, you can enter our program, okay, with your TOEFL. Okay, TOEFL, I think around the, you just got the 5.0, okay, just enough, okay, or you can join this program. The TOEFL is around the 500s, okay, IELTS around the 1.5, 5.5, yeah? Okay, this one is our requirement for the foreign students. And then when you join this program for the master's and PhD program, you can apply the scholarship from the UTHM. Okay, we provide the funding for the foreign student, which is for the student, we will cover your tuition fee. Okay, and then you can get your monthly allowance around the 3.5 million rupiah, not the ringgit. Yeah, 3.5 rupiah. And then at the same time, we provide the facilities stay in our student residence. Okay. So this one is what the facilities what we can offer to the especially for the Unisnu students. Okay, candidates from the Unisnu. Okay, I think this my brief about this. What the our faculty can offer to the Unisnu students. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Prof. Oh, Eva, okay, is it okay? Do you understand? Well, thank you, Prof. And the next question is from Laili. What are the advantage? How to apply the TF teaching factory to the university? Okay, it will be answered by Prof also. The advantage, teaching factory applied, yes, in the university.
Okay, about what the advantage from the teaching factory to the student. Okay, so I thought this issue based on the student, not to the industry or the university. Okay, first for the student, you can get the real experience, okay, when you join this teaching factory, because all your practice, okay, so you do the real practice and the real product and then the real environment in the industry. Okay, no need go to the outside of the industry from the campus. So you can stay in the teaching factory in campus, and then you can learn, and then you can do your exercise or your practice inside in the campus. So this one is the advantage of this teaching factory. So secondly, okay, for this, what you can get the advantage for the teaching factory is you can develop your knowledge, okay, and then you can sell yourself for the when you graduate to the industry because you have the real experience. Okay, for example, the last time when the student working in our factory, the company will give the certificate. Okay, and then that certificate is one of the factors you can get the job in the industry. So this one is there's a very benefits and then advantages to all the students when you involve to the teaching factory. But some of the students they not alert or the awareness. The awareness is, I think is a student. Sometimes is a student. They not in-depth knowledge about the teaching factory, and then they not get the advantage join the program in the teaching factory. That's why I think the very important the awareness to the student is must be maybe from the lecturer must give to the introduction or just give some brief about the teaching factory to all the students in the campus. Because in our case, okay, so for our student, for the furniture student is compulsory. But for the other faculty, they can join the teaching factory, but this one is an option. They join as part-time workers. Okay, this one is what the difference when we compare the student follow this academic program, okay, related with the teaching factory, and then another student, they're not from the related program with teaching factory, but they're willing to join teaching factory as a part-time workers. This one is what the different of the groups. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, Prof. How, Mbak Laili? Is it clear for you? The most important, if the TF apply to this university, you will face the real experience, and you can develop your knowledge. Okay. Well, for the next section, it's concerned for 3 questions again. 3 questions again. Any questions? Oh, no? Really? Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, we can make a conclusion for this agenda, for this presentation, that maybe in Unisnu we will apply the TF. Inshallah ya Bapak, teaching factory we will apply, and maybe we will import the program from UTM like that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, finally we come to the part of the section. Once again, thank you very much for the speakers, for the informative and interesting talk. Okay, for the audiences, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your squeezing time to join us today. I would like to say thank you. See you on the next agenda. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, please once again give a big applause to all of us here. I think it was a great presentation and also discussion, right? However, the time goes on very soon and we are already at the last session of this agenda. So willy-nilly, we have to close this program soon. Please, ladies and gentlemen, let's close our program our agenda this morning by reciting Al-Fatihah together. Please join me, Al-Fatihah. Thank you very much. And once again, thank you so much for the professor. Professor, thank you so much for your coming. Thank you so much for your presentation and also the team. Thank you so much for your coming, and also to our second speaker, Mr. Rifki Rosdani. Thank you so much. And for our moderator, Mrs. Dwi Erlin Effendi, Ma'am Erlin, thank you so much. And also, oh yeah, I almost forget. Let's take picture.
Maybe the audiences can take a picture together here. Can be or not, Mbak Nia?
All right, Ma'am, there is information that from UTHM, there is a gift for us, for Unisnu. Please, I give the chance to give Mr. Murharsito as the head of International Office of Unisnu Jepara. Please come to the stage. Sama mahasiswa. Oke. Thank you very much, Professor, and all the contingents for the gift. And the next, I would like to invite all the deans, the Honorable Chairperson of Unisnu Jepara to come on the stage to take pictures together, please, with Professor and all of the contingents from UTHM. Please come on the stage. After this, we will also invite the students to take picture with the professor, okay? Please prepare yourself.
And then all of the chief of the program, please, Pak
Pak
Yunis,
Yunis.
Pak Gun, and Pak Dwi. Mbak Nia.
Thank you very much, the Honorable Chairpersons. And we would like to once more invite Professor Binbon to take pictures with students.
The students, please.
Selfie, ya, selfie.
Selfie. Stand up or
Stand up ya.
Stand
Please
up.
stand up all you
All of the
guys
students are stand
from
up.
your seat ya, di situ aja. Can you please stand up, ladies and gentlemen? Everybody will take pictures of yours. Swafoto.